x equals to minus 3 into y. Okay, means x is 2 and y is say whatever x is, say let's take this example, x is 4 and y equals to minus 2, then k equals to minus 2. Input this value of k in the other series or other numbers given. So x is 6 and y equals to minus 3. Again k comes out to be minus 2. So it means that k should not be a positive constant only. It can be any constant, right? Only it should be constant. That's why I have written only constant, right? Important part in this, remember. Next, when the distance is kept fixed, then the speed and time vary inversely with each other. So what is distance? Speed into time. Now this is kept as constant. So speed into time. What do you mean? What is the definition of direct proportion or inverse proportion? Inverse means the product of these two should be constant. That's what is called as inverse. And if the division of these two is constant, then it's called as direct proportion. So if distance is kept constant, then what? S into t means speed into time will be constant. So this is indirect. That's why the answer is true. Download Yuva Guru app from Play Store to get these videos, test, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, learn tables up to 30, squares up to 30 and cubes up to 15 by heart. These are useful to you, for you throughout your life for various competitive exams. So, we have separate videos for them. Sing behind those videos and you'll learn them within 3 months. But do it on a daily basis. Keep studying, keep watching. Thanks. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuva Guru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.